Have you ever captured a special moment on a video, but you find it ruined by grainy and pixelated visuals? Well, today, I have a solution for you. In this video, we are going to learn how to fix grainy videos using Stellar Repair for Video software. Grainy video is a common problem that can be caused by a variety of factors, such as low light conditions, poor camera quality, or video compression. We often find this common issues with our captured videos. Stellar Repair for Video is a powerful tool, designed to fix various video issues, such as choppy, jerky, truncated, grainy, frozen, and blurry videos. You can download the software from the official site or the link from the description. Just download and launch the software. Then, add your grainy or pixelated videos and click Repair. You can add as much videos you want. Once the repair process is complete, you can preview the videos. And if you are satisfied with the result, you can save them. Just select your desired location and click on Save Repaired Files to save them. Stellar Repair for Video can be your lifesaver when it comes to repairing your grainy or pixelated videos. So, next time when you come across grainy or pixelated videos, do not feel remorse. Fix it with Stellar Repair for Video.